In this video, I will show you how to buy MLB games ticket. First of all, open up any web browser. Then in the search bar, search for buy MLB tickets. Now you will see this URL from MLB.com. Simply click on it. If you scroll down below, you can find various teams here. You can choose which team's match you want to watch. For example, I want to buy Chicago Cubs ticket. Click on Cubs ticket. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Here on the right side of the screen, you can see which date or which time match you want to watch. You can simply click on buy tickets. Now scroll down below on this page and click on buy tickets again. Now the stadium view page will open. From here you can choose the number of ticket you want to buy. After that, scroll down a little below and you will find done. Click on done. Now click on the section where you want to buy your tickets. Now on this pop-up screen, you can simply click on buy 3 seats. Now from here you can sign up or log in, then put in your card details and everything, and you'll be able to buy tickets for MLB games. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.